we have a slim design. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're gonna unbox this bold flash. So do not skip this video, do not forget to subscribe, hit all notifications bell. Whenever we upload you would get notified. So without wasting time, let's get into our video. Here we have boat flash, and here we have the branding. Here we have slim metallic designs. On the both sides we have boat. Here too. Here we have some of the specifications that we are going to talk in the review, and it has IP rating 68, and the actual price of this is 7,000 rupees, but that is not the actual price. This is 2,500. So now let's quickly open it. So here we have the watch. Here we have the silicone straps. So let's keep this aside. Here we have the round dial. And let's see what's more inside the box. Inside the box we have charger, and we have user manual. Here we have boat catalog, and we have 1 year warranty, and here we have one sticker. So let's keep all this side. So here we have the watch. So let me take out the wrapper. So here we have the boat flash. So this belt is made up of metal, and here we have boat branding. So here we have the watch. On it up. So here we have boat. So we have 1.3 full touch LCD display. Here we have 200 mAh battery. Here we have 10 sports modes. And here we have step counts, BPM, sleep monitoring, weather, and music controls. And here we have a physical button to go back. Here we have sports mode, breathe, shutter, blood oxygen, stopwatch, find phone, screen sleep, watch faces, reset, power off, QR code, and about. So watch faces have 8 watch faces. Here you have D&D mode, brightness, flash, and message. At the back we have all the types of sensors. For example, heart rate monitoring, oxygen, sleep monitoring, and the build quality is made up of polycarbonate, and here we have a metallic frame. Here you have a wake gesture. So when you twist your hand, the screen will get on. So here we have BPM, so let's check it out. It is almost accurate. Here we have oxygen. Here we have 95. Here we have breathe. So let's to start. So that's it. And we have shutter. Shutter, we need to connect to the app. And we have stopwatch, find phone, screen sleep, and here we have the brightness level. We have 5 levels of brightness. Indoor it is amazing, but now you can see I'm shooting in the outdoors. You can also observe that the screen brightness. Here we have a slim design. When you tie it up, it gives a premium feel, and the weight of this is around 54 grams, and it is also very slim. It almost takes 2 hours to charge completely. You need boat wearable app to access this boat flash watch. So you need boat wearable, so you need to install it. It is available for iOS and Android. Steps, calories, BPM, sleep, and that's it. Here you have the activities. That's it. Here you have watch faces. You can also customize them, or you can also upload your own image, or you can also choose it from cloud. And we have app notification, you can allow them. So you have alarm, find device, so you have beeping. You can also find it from the watch. Let me show you. So let me show you. Find phone. So you can see here the phone is ringing. So that's it. And you have camera. Yes, picture taken, or else you shake it also, picture taken. So now it is available in 3 colors: blue, black and red. If you want to buy, the link is in description. If you like this video, give a like. Do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.